New MPCC President T.N. Haukip met Sonia Gandhi, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister leave for Delhi this afternoon. Poor organization of First Manipur Industrial Expo exposes lack of proper planning and management by the government. Irom Sharmila appears before CJM Imphal West, expresses a desire to fight her own case without a counsel. And rain plays spoil sport in the celebration of Baruni this year. Number of people climbing the hill has been dwindling in the last few years. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Prime Time News. I'm Butcher Malambam with the top stories. The new MPCC President T.N. Haukip today met the AICC President Sonia Gandhi in New Delhi. The meeting took place around 11:30 this morning. The MPCC chief left Imphal for New Delhi yesterday. Sources said Chief Minister Okrum Ibobi and Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam left Imphal for New Delhi by a late afternoon flight. Sources also told Impact News that Sonia Gandhi warmly welcomed the new PCC President and discussed about the programs of the Congress Party. Sonia Gandhi is understood to have told T.N. Haukip to work to strengthen the party. The sources also said the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister are likely to meet Sonia Gandhi tomorrow. The visit of the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister is significant in view of the cabinet reshuffle, which may happen ahead of the notification for the Imphal Municipal Corporation elections. Residents of Brahmapur Aribam Laikai caught and thrashed two persons who allegedly hurled and exploded a bomb last night. The explosion took place at the gate of Imphal Municipal Corporation Chairperson A. Nimai Sharma and Tribal Development Department Assistant Director Shamurai Latpa Manihar Sharma last night around 9:20 p.m. at Brahmapur Aribam Laikai in Imphal East. The blast damaged the gate. However, there was no report of human casualty. The two persons caught by the people are identified as R.K. Napoleon from Sagolbantera Amudon Akham Leirak and Angom Punil Kumar from Porompa Thawan Thabalekai. A woman who accompanied them fled from the spot during the commotion. The locals also seized a black Bolero Storm bearing registration number MN01X7655 used by R.K. Napoleon and Angom Punil Kumar. Sources said locals caught Punil Kumar after they saw him walking in a suspicious manner after the blast. Later, locals also caught R.K. Napoleon and thrashed both of them. Police rushed to the spot and controlled the situation. Speaking to Impact News, IMC Chairperson A. Nimai Sharma termed the incident as unusual as no organization has threatened him earlier.
Involved Toriba Angonda Langariba, Anga and Maxi Parabanina Makoina Masana, Makogi identity interrogation that taxa Matunda, Moikanano, Carino, Hiraga, Makoigi, Tarpa, Makogi, Pakumdagi, Ayanga, or Party Marie Mangam Suvanina, Madumandagi, Makoida, Karitagi, Karidona, I would might all leave you know, have to Pau Pongergati, Aya Atum. Angonda Kari charge to get to Kangbashung Bay, at the Hojiki when the Angonda Kanago Misanga talk, and have you touchable later vanina. I have Mashi Angopo.
Meanwhile, Royal Riders have expelled R.K. Napoleon of Dera Amudon Akamlekai from the club in connection with his alleged involvement in yesterday's bomb blast case at the gate of Chairperson of Imphal Municipal Corporation, A. Nimai Sharma. Addressing the media persons today at Manipur Press Club, advisor of Royal Riders, Laishra Momocha said the decision to expel R.K. Napoleon was taken at the executive meeting held this morning. He said Royal Riders will not compromise if any of their members indulge in anti-social activities. He said members of Royal Riders come from various walks of life and they had been helping the orphan children and organizing free health camps for the people living in far-flung areas of the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤꯚ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯏꯖꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯨꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯆꯦꯟꯅꯔꯝꯃꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯇꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯆꯦꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ.
Residents of Brahmapur Aribam Laikais today staged a sit-in against yesterday's blast at the gate of the chairperson of Imphal Municipal Corporation, Aribam Nimai Sharma. The protest was held in front of the Youth Club Brahmapur.
Mirakta smaina bom pokhaiba mi mayam se mafam marang na kuchin chelan ba tak takal han ba singma mirakta smaina he hek to base akhoi masidi pamjedi mi maseni mi bu min awaba piraga madada mohin phangado chi nungai ba si karino moi pandam na karino mi ge oibagi onhan naraga sega maiga hainaraga yanaba porokpasina mi marak hingminabagi khwaidegi hena nungai ba ma oigadra haina khalle aina matung de sigum se amhana mirakta bom bokai hanba mi mayam se ngaw na kuchin chelan ba pakhat han ba si matung de tobiga noina hajaningi.
Lamphel Sanakethel Nopi Kanglop today staged a sit-in against the explosion in the residential area at Lamphel Sanakethel. Unidentified miscreants last evening around 11:50 p.m. exploded a bomb at the residence of Taunauzam Bishambor. Although no one was hurt in the explosion, some portion of the house was damaged by the blast. Condemning the act in the strongest terms, Secretary of Lamphel Sanakethel Nopi Kanglop, Laishram Ongbi Nirmala, told Impact News that weapon meant for enemy must not be used on innocent civilians. She said if there is any misunderstanding, it must be resolved with the individual or family concerned, not by creating panic among the innocent people. Nirmala also appealed to authority concerned to take measures to prevent such dreadful act in the future.
Bomaba Nomayasdi, Landa, Sinagadaba, Yangnaba Mayonagada, Sinagada Posina, I could isam samba, I know Magi Shura, Satliba, Misam Marakta, Smain to Virapaze, I could Asukimatic, Nungaja de Madia Koju, Hingbada Sukimatic Kizare, Maramaduna, Bom Pokaihan, Biramliba, Isasing, in housing Labaki Sebato, Biliba Oragasu, Natraga, Karamba Lumna to Bireno to Biriba Lucida Queen Hizen Ingisi, Amukana Masigum Base, I could like I Stamona Ton Biganu. Adugi mahuta apamba duwari sabiraga santi oina lotion biu.
The manner in which the first Manipur Industrial Expo 2016 is organized at Lamboy Konangkong on Uripok Kangsup Road is a testimony to the lack of proper planning and management by all responsible. The 7-day expo hosted by Commerce and Industries Department kicked off yesterday at Lamboy Konangkong. The venue is covered by water on the second day today, causing grave inconveniences to both the participants and the visitors. Many entrepreneurs and visitors expressed that the multi-crore expo will give a negative picture of the state. Nearly 600 entrepreneurs from Manipur and other states are expected to showcase various handloom and handicraft products in the week-long event. However, the stalls are yet to be ready even on the second day today. As the state has been experiencing continuous rains for the last few days, almost all the stalls have been covered by the flood water. In this situation, the participants cannot display their products at the stalls. Besides, the road from Nauremthong to the venue of the expo is in a deplorable condition, creating more inconveniences to the people. S. Biren, an entrepreneur who is taking part in the biggest expo in the Northeast India, told Impact News that the government has made announcement about the expo before 3 months, but nothing has been provided to the participants even after it has been inaugurated.
Thani only mamandagi hairabisi April tang Marisida Horani and Hana Lautopi Hermni Adu no Singi Matam way Kana Makoina Pajana Semido, Soul Simanungi, Ishingi Kujan Yona Yona Loina Tunjan Leramba, Equaju Pilotena, Angamba Equagi, Makogi, the labor Upakanti, Amakanti Mohin Namhadana, Poina, Kanana Saint, and Nam Navagi Ama Adumagi Awaba, my equation the labor. I know Handaki expose equates the same Haragadi, the same.
A women visitor said they have come with high expectations, but the venue has turned out to be a muddy ground. She expressed dissatisfaction and unhappiness at the manner the expo is organized.
Kiana Luna la Kandamela, Kainota Bonia, the meeting in Laga, Kutakta, the Walambi, the Com Lenangzi Maraxidam Migi, a Pava Pijet, Lighting Shepherd, Kayamus Lai, Educationatata, Sakana Tauridi, Kutakutaki Weba, Mahaki, Kainota or Kandamoin, Semzel Lagaheta, Tungi in a Kandaba, Kutaki, Akoyandaxima, Chipanto Tayadre, Tarixima Salau Lepsanba, Aduga Kutakta, Tawaji Chimadiam, no I did ever power with a moida.
Irom Chanu Sharmila today expressed a desire to fight her case without the help of a counsel. She told the media that she would be happy should she be acquitted in Manipur, like a Delhi court acquitted her in a fasting case at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi, demanding repeal of AFSPA from Manipur. Irom Sharmila was today produced before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West at Cherab Court Complex, Uripok. She submitted to the court that she wanted to fight her own case without her counsel. She also said she will not sign the PR bond. The CJM, however, said even though she has submitted a petition to fight the case on her own, she has been provided free legal aid counsel. The judge remanded her to 15-day judicial custody.
Miyamgi cause ki damag miyamana kusemna suwana khang dana ngai dana lebaki damag lela ibasi karino haiba mayam punjal laganda miyamgi oiba kholaw ama hojik thokpiro o haina aina ai thamoi dagi penja dana aina miyamgi support nijari lukhrabi na yumpham lepagi phibham da lepa si oiriba si maram chadaba ain sigi mayokta ai samak su victim amana tabadu miyoiba moina songthoraiba lep Manipur
Pradesh Congress Committee in a press release said Parliamentary Secretaries K. Meghachandra Singh and Mohammad Amin Shah have been assigned for official election duties representing Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee for the next phase of Assam election 2016 at Hosai and Guwahati. Joint Action Committee on Inner Line Permit System JCILPS halted the construction of IIIT at Mantripukri, alleging that Simplex company hired workers without proper papers. JCILPS members conducted a drive at the construction site of IIIT and found that Simplex company employed 5 child laborers and 22 laborers without proper documents. JCILPS convener Kondran Ratan also alleged that the company has not registered the workers with State Labour Department. Meanwhile, JCILPS handed the laborers without proper documents to Haingang Police Station.
Government su mamang da sumba international market wa mu je mo thabak to onthok ne che 2014 ki December tang ta da high gram ne ba marak ka ju akhoi ka government unaba ju unaba CM na kana government na hajan high gram ne ba si po che adu bu hoji bo da government na sumba hoji ji leiba ain si sina kan da akhoi ki yellow mi kan na ba thau pakhalam da ba summa mayam se market wa ka ki na ma da changa ka da Manipur free wa na ka da Manipur yosan na ba ya ba ki film ko leiba da si government sina tumina sum election ba leiba se ma si pende ta sina mak ngasi ki government ngasi ki minister MLA sing ngasi polken party sing ruling ogira opposition ogira khudmak se masi lingin manana ko yelomi kan bagi daita sange.
The mother of Palubam Jamson, accused in the murder of Pampha Rai, has appealed to reconsider the decision of the locals to ostracize the family for alleged crime. Speaking at a press meet held in Imphal, P. Dalalema said she and her family share the grief for the loss. However, she added that Jamson, who was in a relationship with the deceased for the last 3 years, might not have committed the crime with ill intention. She said, had it been a premeditated act, Jamson would not have disclosed his identity in the register of the hotel. She maintained that Jamson should be punished as per the law if he is found guilty. Dalalema, however, stated that punishing the other members of the family by ostracizing them from the locality would not be fair. Pampha Rai was found hanging inside the bathroom of Venus Hotel in Churachandpur on April 2.
Isana lalagadi Zairak to Pibiro Hana, Mama Panazu, Sarukia Zaraba, Matung the Zoo, Kasu Kangzadaba, family Pumbagi, Pumbazida, Anaiba, Kasu Kangzadaba, Moigidam Tawazadana, Pampa Hadibin Pimasazi, Awaba Sarukiadana, Lazariba. Akwai kasu khangja da tumbam sabang khangan da imung thado andana naibi bajdi ai khaitang mayamna khaitang yengbiyo na.
Women of Ward number 26, Wangkai Assembly Constituency today staged a sit-in against the murder of Pampha Rai at Kabulekai, DM College Road. Protesters strongly condemned the killing of Pampha Rai and demanded befitting punishment for culprit B. Jamson. The dead body of an unidentified man, which was found on April 1 near the crematorium at Khuathong traffic point, has been deposited at Rims Morgue. The body will be disposed of by District Magistrate Imphal West if no one claims for it by April 6. The condition of Nagamapal Kangjabi Road, one of the most important alternative route to Lamphel stretching from Kangjabi Lampak, a distance of about 200 meters towards Thingel in Thamaiban constituency, lies in a deplorable condition. The road, just a stone's throw from the PWD, is waiting for a major repair with black topping. People have drawn the attention of the authority to look into the problem. Singzamai Nupia Punba Loop today closed Singzamai Thongam Lekai Road to protest non-repair of the road. The loop complained that rain waters make the road muddy, causing more accidents on the road. They appeal to the authority concerned to repair the road at the earliest. RIMS Hospital and Dental College RIMS will remain opened on the second Saturday, April 9. Medical Superintendent RIMS has asked all staff concerned to attend office as normal. 32nd Battalion CRPF Loktak Manipur organized a free medical camp under civic action programs at Ithai village under Kumbi Police Station. Doctors of CRPF, NHPC and Health Department treated about 350 villagers of Ithai and Wangu at the camp. DIG CRPF Imphal Range Sumit Kumar Rai, 32nd Battalion CRPF Loktak Commandant JS Alawat and officers of CRPF attended the camp. Now it's time for a short break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News.
Classic Hospitality Training Institute now offer Tauzari 3 special job-oriented courses to launch your career. 6 months course in front office operations, food and beverage service, housekeeping operations, level 1 diploma in hospitality operations, level 2 diploma in food preparation and culinary arts. Free counseling session from Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hena Kupamarol Gidama contact Tobiu Classic Hospitality Training Institute, Babina Diagnostic Building, 3rd floor, Rims Road, Imphal West.
Second Division I League Housing Satariba Tang Taruk when the Senamita Neroka Epsiga Kashmir Lone Starga Mayam Puna Lak Piraga support Tobiu of the chair Tobiu, the government Asu Najaramgi.
Mayam Puna Magnaling Biratuna Tabiu, a Haxing Najaramgi.
Welcome back. Students today staged sit-in at Lilong Damakong demanding action against those involved in the assault of 6 persons, including 4 students from Lilong Damakong at Iramsifai on March 25. The protesters also denounced the failure to extend help to the injured persons by the authority concerned, despite several reminders. JC formed against the assault. Students of 5-star English School and representatives of 11 civil organizations of Lilong area took part in the protest. Placards that read, "Arrest those who assaulted students, don't incite hatred among neighboring villages and extend financial support to injured persons" were displayed during the sit-in. All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union today appealed to allow unloading of PDS items from the stranded trucks following closure of Sangaipro FCI godown at CAF and PD godown at Koirengay. Speaking to media at its office at MG Avenue, Union General Secretary Maimom Anil Maitai said about 361 trucks with PDS items are stranded near the FCI godown Sangaipro for the last 1 month, as there are no more free space to keep the PDS items in the FCI godown. He said the drivers and the handymen of the trucks are facing immense hardship due to rain. Maimom Anil also drew the attention of the state government and the minister concerned to provide an alternative arrangement as soon as possible.
Government hygienic CAF and PD hang godown sida haiba mal singasi Manipur government Tabiragadi Manipur Praja Singi Pukchak Udoriba Mayamsi Peshel Hubuda Yamno Kudung Chaba, Lady Driver Singsi, Henneman Singsi, Awasi Kokani, Henning Marueba Department, CAF and PDG, Director Amadi, FCI Department, as a what how long we do not, Gary Singsi, without Sida, Tan Biduna, Driver and the Henneman Singi, Awasi Kohanbu.
Fine Arts and LLM courses will be introduced in Manipur University from this year's academic session, and a University Grant Commission has approved the setting up of National Security Studies Center, and the university will roll it out very soon. Speaking at the inauguration of a clock tower at the Manipur University Central Library building, Vice Chancellor Professor H.N.K. Sharma said construction of international guest house at the university campus will be completed by June this year, and construction of 1,500 capacity auditorium is almost complete, and the ministry concerned has been intimated about the required fund for the completion of the auditorium. Professor H.N.K. Sharma also stated that construction of hostel and quarters are also almost complete, and the number of hostels in the university will be increased from 8 to 10. Mention may be made that the clock tower was installed atop the Central Library building with the financial assistance of UGC by Anglo-Swiss Watch, Kolkata, at a cost of Rs 27 lakh. All Manipur Students Union AMSU today accused the Director of Department of Minorities and Other Backward Classes MOBC, Manipur government and nodal officers of not giving pre-metric and post-metric scholarship for 2013-14 to the students. AMSU threatened to close down the MOBC in case the department fails to give 2013-14 pre-metric and post-metric scholarship in 7 days. Addressing media persons at AMSU office at DM College campus, AMSU Secretary General Manjit Charangthem accused MOBC Director and nodal officers of halting the scholarship given under the Ministry of Social Justice and Ministry of Minority Affairs to the students of backward classes. He said more than 1,000 students undergoing professional courses could not submit the merit-cum-means-based scholarship applications due to mistakes of the MOBC Director and nodal officers.
Phangpham dokba mairoi singi sakthung matlakanda sahi amo makai ani hena namsalaga tamli 2013-14 session 14-15 session gi ngasi phawda mairoi singi scholarship pangdri session ani hena mairoi singi phangpham thokpa chakthung matla phawba director na hairiwa officer sing adu gi mathak taksal logdribano hairiwa thong ngasi director na magi scheme officer sing loktunara kanda mari lenaba concern minister ga Hariba department asi MOBC Chief Minister na paiba dugumba department amakangni department asigi hairo sing fum thokpa sakthung matpa sida mari lenaba concern minister sing Chief Minister fawwa yaurobra haiba gi chawroba chingnaba makak AMSU da pok.
A joint meeting of staff of the District Hospital Channel ADC member Ton Singh Willingson and Maha area chiefs was held today at the conference hall of the district hospital. During the meeting, Tong Sin Willingson appealed to the hospital staff to serve the patients with humility and extend cooperation to the people. The indefinite economic blockade called by All Manipur Police Constable Batch Mail 2013 on the national highways of the state entered the second day today. In Chandel district, large number of blockade supporters enforced the indefinite blockade along the Imphal-More section of the national highway in between Thamna Pokpi and Bongzang village. Vehicles coming from both Imphal and More were stopped by the supporters, and vehicles carrying goods were prohibited to proceed further. The police detained 3 blockade supporters today. Meanwhile, All Manipur Police Constable Batch Mail 2013 are demanding the release of the detained persons. It may be mentioned that All Manipur Police Constable Mail Batch called for 24-hour Manipur Bandh last Friday. Khundrakpam Kendra Youth Organization has extended support and vowed to help in all possible ways the villagers of Nongsum Khul, especially the youths in guarding the village from the harassments meted out by Kuki Liberation Army, a signatory of suspension of operation under Kuki National Organization KNO with the government of Manipur. Kukeo in a press release expressed a shock at the failure of the Home Department to take action against the militants and stated that the Deputy Chief Minister Gaikagam, who also holds the home portfolio, should be held responsible if any communal tension occurs out of the prevailing situation. Inclement weather and rain have hit the footfall of devotees and adventures enthusiasts flocking at the Baruni Hills. Many devotees and adventure enthusiasts had a tough time making their way through the muddy terrain leading to the Baruni hilltop last night due to rain and bad weather. Every year, devotees and many adventure enthusiasts head for the Baruni Hills, Baruni Nomaiching Kaaba, to offer prayer to the god It is a joyful day in the Manipuri month of Lamda after Yaosheng on the eastern side of Imphal Valley. People offer prayers to Nongpok Ningthau and Panthoibi and Lord Shiva. Locals and the frequent trekkers said the total footfall this year is less than 1/4 of total footfall last year, and the number of people climbing the hills is dwindling year after year. This could possibly be due to the bad weather. Some claim that maybe this is due to the increasing options of recreation. People are losing interest in such old traditions, though nothing could deter the serious devotees, including elderly women, from reaching the hilltop. Now in sports, a pre-match press conference of 2nd Division I League was held today at the Classic Grande. Host Neroka FC Sangapom will take on Lone Star Kashmir FC tomorrow in the match number 45 of the league at the Kumalampak Men's Stadium. Lone Star Kashmir FC head coach Hilal Pare and Neroka FC head coach Gift Raikham appealed to the football lovers to witness the crucial match tomorrow.
All the peoples of Manipur, especially from Imphal, to come and witness a beautiful match between the two upcoming teams of Indian nation, Lone Star Kashmir FC and Neroka. I know the people of Imphal, especially from this part, Kumalampa, they are very keen and very passionate regarding football.
Tang Tarukki April ki Pungani da Kumalampak ta Neroka FC Manipur, Lone Star Kashmir FC Sanagadore. Football nungshiba Manipur nungshiba phabok mayamna laaga match nungaraba match meyeng tabiu aduga akoi Manipur bu saugatpiu.
President of All Manipur Canoeing and Kayaking Association, Yambem Laba, has appealed to the authority concerned to investigate and take action in connection with the FIR lodged against former president of the association, Jotin Waikom. Addressing the media today at Manipur Press Club, Yambem Laba said 3 FIR have been filed against Jotin Waikom in connection with forging of signature and assault in 2014, but unfortunately no action has been taken till now. Vice President of the association, the Kalambam Dushanta, said political interference has affected the spirit of the game.
Number one, the police when FIR lodge store investigate do law course of action to you. Secondly, registered societies in a duly elected to hang up single general body meeting to Kobiro. Observer that is up to them, but let us be clear once and for all. Sports politics politicians in the sports politics.
That's all we have for the time being, but before we wind this session of the bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. New MPCC President T.N. Haokip meets Sonia Gandhi, Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister, leave for Delhi this afternoon. Poor organization of First Manipur Industrial Expo exposes lack of proper planning and management by the government. Irom Sharmila appears before CJM Imphal West, expresses a desire to fight her own case without a counsel. And rain plays spoil sport in the celebration of Baruni this year. Number of people climbing the hill has been dwindling in the last few years.